Hey everybody, this is Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I just wanted to show a few of the things that I will be bringing to the Denim to Diamonds Jewelry Extravaganza on New Year's Eve. I will be there from 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time until midnight Central Standard Time on my time. And here are a few of the things that I will be bringing. So in the very back, we have an 18 karat gold necklace. And then over here to this side, we have the sterling silver graduated balls. We have a sterling silver necklace with garnet, amethyst, and beautiful peridot. Then over on that side, we have Gaspiite squash blossom. It's Navajo. Then there is a 3-layer beautiful sterling silver necklace. I will have this gorgeous Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 bag available. I thought maybe someone would like that. And then this is my coolest find so far. I'm going to move you guys down a little bit. There we go. Let's see. All right. So what we have here is a sterling silver and amber letter opener. This is all sterling silver and beautiful amber. So we have a letter opener, not jewelry related, but it's jewelry all the way through. All right. One of the rings here that we have is a color change garnet. Absolutely a stunning ring. Then will be bringing a carved amber sterling silver ring. This is just phenomenal and it glows like there's no tomorrow. I will have the David Yurman sterling silver diamond and 18 karat gold ring. Then down here we have a faceted, beautiful faceted amber necklace. 950 silver bracelet. The Links of London sterling silver. Then I will be bringing the amber, amethyst, and garnet beautiful carved piece. I will have different Bally bracelets. This one is garnet, or we also have amethyst. We will have a ring for unisex, so male or female. Really cool. I'll have these in a couple different sizes. Then I thought I would bring some Bali earrings. These are stunning garnets. Then I'm also planning on bringing, this is a dragon. It is carved Sleeping Beauty turquoise from Globe, Arizona. Then we also have this stunning Bumblebee sterling silver cuff bracelet. We have ourselves a Judith Ripka in a gold tone, which is just fantastic. We will also be bringing this gorgeous carved garnet key pendant. I will also have a Roman sterling silver coin. This is just a fantastic piece. Plus, I'll have a little bit more. So make sure you guys come check us out. We are on Denim to Diamonds. We are starting at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we will be rocking in the new year with different sellers for each time zone. So make sure you come and check us out. And I will see you guys Sunday night. Bye, you guys.